In this video, I'm going to be talking about how does Amazon Flex works. So Amazon Flex is a delivery service that allows independent contractors, known as the delivery partners, to use their own vehicles and smartphones to deliver packages for Amazon. It is a gig economy model that offers a flexible way to earn money. So first, you will have to sign up. To become an Amazon Flex driver, you need to meet certain requirements. They can vary slightly by location, but generally they will include being at least 21 years old, having a valid driver's license and social security number, having a mid-sized or larger four-door vehicle that meets Amazon's requirements, having a compatible smartphone, having personal auto insurance, and passing a background test. The sign-up process will be done through the app, so if needed, download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. After you create the account and provide the necessary personal and vehicle information, you may be placed on a waiting list if there aren't enough delivery opportunities in your area. Instead of using a set schedule, Amazon Flex delivery partners work in blocks. So the very first step is that you should reserve a block. This is going to be a pre-scheduled time slot, typically lasting from 2 to 6 hours, for which you are going to be paid a set amount. The app shows you the available blocks in your area, and you can choose the ones that fit your schedule. The app also tells you the expected earnings for each block. You will be able to make deliveries through Amazon.com packages, Prime Now and Amazon Fresh, and also instant offers. On the day of your scheduled block, you will go to a designated pickup location, so for example, an Amazon delivery station, a grocery store, etc., to get your packages, and the app will provide a list of packages and a recommended route for your deliveries. You can use the app or something else like Google Maps and Waze to navigate through all of these locations, and after you are done making all of the deliveries, you will be paid for the entire block, even if you finish early. The pay rate is typically between $18 to $25 per hour, but this can fluctuate based on a lot of factors. Payments are made via direct deposit, and you can choose how often you want to get paid. So consider all of this: the contractor status, the flexibility versus the competition, and the vehicle requirements. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.